This meditation is designed to open your mind and body to the gentle notion that all is well and that your body knows just how to cradle life. You'll be guided to relax deeply and align with expansive inner well-being. I'm Marie Burwald, a holistic health educator and clinical hypnotherapist, specializing in the mind-body connection as it relates to pregnancy, birth, and mothering. In my Birth Bliss programs, I'm creating tools and gathering information to help you move along this journey with more ease and grace. You can subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with my latest creations. Before we start this meditation, let's begin with a little background. You're welcome to move and stretch your body as you listen to this introduction. In a little while, I'll invite you to settle into stillness. Research suggests that using these kinds of practices during your pregnancy is associated with better sleep, lowered stress, and an increase in positive feelings, plus a healthy connection to your changing body. In fact, it may even help improve morning sickness. If that's something that's coming up for you, you might consider alternating this meditation with my meditation for reducing pregnancy nausea. You'll find links to that in the description box below. As you listen, you may notice that the experience is slightly different each time. Sometimes you may be aware of each word, while other times you might find yourself floating and drifting. I invite you to simply be open to however the meditation unfolds for you today, trusting that your deep inner mind knows just what you need to create an optimal, nourishing environment for you and your baby. Since it is common to become deeply relaxed during this experience, please only listen when it is safe to relax completely. This means do not listen when you are driving or engaging in any other task that requires your focused attention. I invite you to find a quiet time and space where you can listen to the entire meditation in an open and receptive state so you can receive the greatest benefit. While you listen, if at any time there is a word or phrase that does not resonate for you, simply change it in your own mind. This meditation is interwoven with imagery and gentle hypnotic suggestions. Whatever images or suggestions that you choose to accept will reach you on both a conscious and subconscious level, impacting you in a wide range of positive ways that you might even find surprising. Find a comfortable spot, one that will allow you to rest deeply for the next little while. Allow yourself to adjust and move as you settle into stillness. So go ahead, take a nice deep breath and just arrive here. Coming home to yourself, feeling the breath in your body, breathing in and breathing out. Gently, easily, and deeply. As you breathe, choose to let go of the other stuff, letting all the other stuff in your life gently fall away, fading out into the distance. So that all that matters is just this time that you have set aside to feel good. In fact, as you bring your awareness deeper within, you might already get a sense of those good inner feelings, even right now. You might notice a little bubbling up of peacefulness, or maybe a sensation of warmth or tingling as energy moves across your body. However the good feelings show up for you, just letting them flow, gentle and easy. Feeling that gentleness and ease throughout all your body now. Allowing your eyes to feel heavy and soft, jaw loose, tongue resting gently on the roof of your mouth. Imagine that if you were to look down on yourself, you would see yourself resting deeply with a soft and peaceful expression. Imagine that your face is setting the tone for the rest of your body. And now that same soft, loose feeling is flowing down into every part of you. Arms heavy and soft. Shoulders gently sinking into the frame of your body. Belly rising and falling with each breath. Everything so soft. And now just becoming curious. Could you soften and release even more? Just with the power of your mind, could you let yourself become even more relaxed? Perhaps more relaxed than you have ever been. And to get there, you realize that all that you have to do is nothing. Simply allowing the natural state of well-being to be your home, and the home for this new life taking shape within you. Resting in this way frees up vast amounts of energy and resources. Energy to support all the changes taking place in your body. Even now, your body is wisely guiding a myriad of changes within you. There is deep wisdom within your mind and body that knows how to live comfortably with all of the hormonal changes. Even right now, you are activating that deep inner wisdom so that you can move comfortably, so that you can eat comfortably, and so that you can celebrate this pregnancy comfortably. Remembering that your body already knows how to grow a baby. And that's a thought that might allow you to drop even deeper into a state of trust and comfort. As you rest, imagine yourself seated under a magnificent tree. This tree is old and strong. The trunk is so wide and thick, and there are many wonderful branches joyously reaching up towards the sky and sun. As you lean against it, this tree feels ancient, wise, and comforting. Under the tree is soft, lush green grass, and it's thick and cushioning under you. As you rest with your back to the trunk, you feel connected to life all around you, relaxed, peaceful, comfortable. You imagine the tree roots growing deeply into the earth, allowing this tree to be deeply grounded into the earth. The branches reaching high into the sky, allowing the tree to be connected to the universe. And now you imagine there is a cord of energy that runs from the bottom of your spine all the way down deep into the earth. This cord allows you to release into the earth any and all stress, worry, and tension. The first trimester of pregnancy affords many possibilities for worry. But now you realize that you have within you the power to release these, to allow them to drift down through your body and down into the earth. It is safe to allow this to happen, for the earth will transform that energy, just as she transforms coal into diamonds. Allow any and all negative energy, hurtful emotions, or limiting beliefs to drift down through your body and down into the earth. Any anger or frustration, letting it drift down, letting guilt or sadness drift down. Any worry, anxiety, or fear, allow it to drift down through you and into the earth. Letting anything and everything, both known and unknown, that has ever blocked your joy, let it just drift down through your body, down through your spine and into the earth. As that continues to happen, as all of the things you wish to release drift down and into the earth, imagine now that another cord is located in your spine and that it runs up through your body, reaching high into the sky, higher than the branches, higher than the clouds. So high that it reaches up and out into the universe, connecting you with a never-ending supply of ancient, peaceful energy. An energy that fills you mind, body, and spirit, and moves down through your cord and into your body. See and feel that wonderful, abundant energy moving through your entire being. It feels so good to let your entire being fill to overflowing with such pure energy. You notice now that your body has actually begun to glow with all of the energy, and this glow is strongest around your abdomen. And you realize that this energy is supporting your happy, healthy baby. You can feel your body and your whole being vibrating in tune with this incredible energy. Take a moment and simply feel it. This incredible energy is the infinite love of which you are created. You are made of infinite love. And this baby is made of infinite love. I will be silent for a moment as you allow this incredible energy to unfold within you. Choosing to regularly cultivate this state of well-being is one of the simplest yet most powerful practices that you can do to bless your life and the life of the tiny being inside you. Your life is changing in powerful ways, yet this daily practice of deep relaxation is allowing you to access resources from deep within to meet those challenges with grace. In fact, you can feel within you, even at this moment, the expansive feelings of appreciation for this pregnancy. No matter what journey led you to this moment, right here and right now, you are feeling a sense of wonder and appreciation. As you inhale, breathing in that soft, expansive appreciation, bringing it to your heart center, and as you exhale, letting it expand. Letting it surround and illuminate your baby with your soft awareness. Letting it fill every fiber of your being. This feeling of well-being is your true home. And it is the home you are creating inside yourself for your baby to grow and develop in a strong and healthy way. Just as a seed knows how to grow into a magnificent tree, your baby knows just how to grow strong and healthy within you. And your deep inner mind and wonderful body know how to best support your baby's development. Resting in this way helps you to remember these deep truths. And as you rest, you realize that you can come back to this place and re-experience this release and fill yourself with this abundant, peaceful energy anytime you like. Now gently focus your mind on your breathing and my voice, gently coming back to this time and place, becoming aware of your body once more in the space where you are resting. And now, bring movement back to your body. Begin simply by wiggling your toes and then your fingers. Take a nice, deep, full breath, and then stretch. Stretch in a way that feels so good to you. When you are ready, gently opening your eyes, coming fully back to this time and place, feeling peaceful and connected, knowing that each time you practice, your well-being and connection will only get deeper, feeling refreshed and happy as you continue your day. Please let me know in the comments if you found this meditation helpful. Also, be sure to grab your copy of my free guide to a peaceful pregnancy. Details in the description box below. I believe that the experience of pregnancy is enhanced by belonging to a supportive community, one that will share the ups and downs of the journey. If that kind of connection sounds good to you, be sure to check out the Holistic Bump, my private pregnancy group. The link is in the description. If you like this meditation, please hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And as always, thank you for letting me be a part of your journey.